a sunset view. I'll make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the rebel when I get on to.
Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, May 3rd. I wanted to vlog a weekend in my life this weekend because I have some fun things going on. I guess you could say this is the first vlog of the summer because yesterday was my last day of classes, so it's officially summer for me. Right now, it's like 9:30 in the morning and I'm about to go into the city. Tonight is my friend Ingrid's birthday party. You guys know Ingrid. And we're going to like this bowling alley that's like also a bar club thing. I don't really know, but we're doing like 2000's themed outfits. So I don't have anything to wear. So I'm going to the city to look for a top. I have like an outfit envisioned. I'm gonna wear like this denim skirt and like I have my accessories, but I need a shirt. And I feel like Brandy Melville might have what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna stop there in Soho and then maybe go to a few other places. Who knows, I'll probably just end up shopping around. Yeah, my train's in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go. And yeah, this is my outfit. Excuse the mess in my room right now, it's like really bad. But I'm just wearing this jacket. I got this from a thrift store. It's like this Pepsi racer jacket, but I'm just wearing this Free People top underneath, Lululemon leggings, Adidas Ultra Boosts, and that's it. Okay, what's up guys? I'm back from the city now. Something on my camera. I did so well. I got everything I needed. Okay, so I went to Brandy and I knew they would have a bunch of like graphic baby tees like this that are like 2000's, and so I got this one. It's just pink and it has like rhinestones and it says on fire. So it's like cropped, and I'm gonna wear this with this little denim skirt that I already had. It's from Aritzia. And then I just got a bunch of accessories. So I got this belt chain thing also from Brandy. It just has like little hearts all over it. And then I just got this just like to have. It's just like a silver chain necklace with a little lock on it. I thought it was cute. It was only $10. So I think I'm gonna wear this chain with this and the skirt. And then I went to Topshop. Topshop has the best accessories, like bags and jewelry. They always have the best. So I got this bag, which is so just unnecessary, but I thought like the shape of it was pretty 2000s vibes, and you know, I'm not just gonna wear it tonight. Like I literally love it so much, but I thought it would go perfect with my outfit tonight. So I have this bag. I needed like little barrettes, so I'm gonna wear my hair extensions tonight. Guys, I bought extensions for no reason in particular other than I wanted them. So you guys will see that later. They're so long. They go down to like here. They match my hair perfectly. They're amazing. So I'm gonna wear those tonight. And then I have these two sets of barrettes. So there's these ones, and then these are just plain pink ones. So I'm gonna do like 2 and 2 right here with the long hair. I also just got these earrings. They're like little pink puffball earrings. And then this is a side note, but I also just stopped at Aerie and got new underwear. Aerie has my favorite underwear ever. They were 10 for $35 and they had like really cute colors and like patterns right now, so just stocked up. But yeah, so right now I need to edit a video that I need to send to a brand, and I also have to take an Instagram picture, even though it's really like cloudy. It looks like it's about to rain, but I need to take a picture of this outfit. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. It's not like the most aesthetically pleasing. Okay. Ooh. Wow. It is later now. It's 7 o'clock. We just finished eating dinner. And now I'm about to start doing my makeup. And then I'll do my hair. I just made myself a cup of coffee, even though it's 7 p.m. But I'm like tired and I need energy. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna do my usual makeup, maybe like a little more glam than normal, but like nothing crazy. But then I'll show you guys my hair extensions when I put them in so you can see see that whole thing. Okay guys, I just finished up my makeup and now I'm going to put my extensions in. So this is them. They're from Zala hair extensions. This is not sponsored. I paid for these myself, but I do really like them. I'll link down below like the exact color and length and everything. They're like the longest length that they come in. This is a 9-piece set, but I don't use all 9 pieces. So this is all the hair. It's literally like a perfect match for my own hair. I don't know how I did it. I thought they were gonna be lighter than my natural hair, but they like match perfectly. It's amazing. So you just clip them right in, and then I'm gonna like curl my hair to try to blend my real hair with the extensions, but I'm kind of bad at it. I don't know, I'll probably be caught slipping tonight because this hair like at the bottom just likes to do its own thing, and yeah, it's kind of hard, but I'll try to do my best. Hey guys, it's later now, but I'm at Ingrid's 2000's, baby. Yeah. So this is my outfit. You guys kind of saw it earlier because I did like a whole haul of everything, but this top is the Brandy top. Skirt is Aritzia. She's wearing the same one in white. And then these glasses I've actually had. They're from Urban. So good. So
wow,
good.
we're not matching.
Everything's pink
at all. Yeah, I love this. I love this whole theme.
This is so good. I was like, I love a theme. Like every party should be a theme. It's so much more fun.
I'm
just
loving
like sneakers. It doesn't really matter because we're going bowling. So like, I'm gonna take my shoes off. But yeah, and then we have like our little clippies. She has hers. We are ready. Morning guys, it is Monday now. Sorry I look a little rough. I just woke up. It's 7:30. I didn't vlog over the weekend. I'm kind of, for vlogs from now on, like I'm not really sticking to like week in my life, like vlogging Monday through Friday. I'm just gonna kind of like start vlogging when I feel like it, and then maybe skip a few days here and there and just continue the vlog into like another day. Just kind of vlogging like when it works for me, and then putting it all together because I know like longer vlogs are usually better. So yeah, hopefully it's not like too confusing to follow. I always put like what day it is like in the little corner, so yeah. But anyway, it's Monday, 7:30. I'm about to get up and make coffee and breakfast, and then I have some work to do, just like emails. And then I'm taking a train into the city at like 10. I've been going to the city a lot in this vlog, but I have an appointment for laser. I'm getting laser hair removal on my bikini area. I'm really excited about it. Today's my first like actual session. I was there 2 weeks ago for like a consultation, and they did like a little test to make sure that I could do it, because sometimes people who are blonde, like it's not like effective on, but my hair is like not that blonde, so it's fine, and I'm getting my first session today and I'm really excited. It's basically just an alternative because I like don't really like shaving and I'm scared of waxing. So yeah, and it's like pretty much permanent. You get it done every 6 weeks and it takes like 12 sessions total for it to be like 100% results, where your hair like doesn't grow back ever. And then you just have to get it like touched up every once in a while. But yeah, so after 12 sessions it's like pretty much just like doesn't grow back. Today's my first actual session, so I will keep you guys updated on how it goes. But I'm going to Erase Spa in New York. It's right in Midtown on 7th Ave. Yeah, so I'm gonna get up now, make some coffee. I don't know why I've been waking up so early. Like it's a good thing because I like waking up early, but like literally my body just wakes up at 7 a.m. or like 6:30 for no reason, because I don't have to leave my house till 10, but whatever. Alright guys, I'm about to catch my train now, but I'm just wearing this outfit. This shirt is from Tiger Mist. These leggings are Lululemon, Adidas Ultra Boosts. Bag is Princess Polly. Key sunglasses. Necklace is Brandy Melville. That's the look. So let's go. Hi guys, so it's later now. I'm back from the city. It's about 1 o'clock right now. I have a few errands to run. My next project of today is to organize my apartment. I was watching Lauren Elizabeth's like organize her house video, and it just really inspired me to get my life organized. So I'm going to the Container Store. I like took pictures on my phone of like every drawer and like cabinet that I want to clean out, and so then I can like look at the pictures and then look in the store and see like what I need for each space. And then I'm also stopping at Bath and Body Works because I need a few things from there. So yeah, just running errands now, and then I'm going to organize everything, and I'm so excited because organizing is like my favorite activity ever. I just got back from the Container Store, and as you can see, I balled out, got so much stuff. I didn't mean to spend this much, but I'm so excited. I'm going to put all this away now, so cue the organization montage. So I wanted to show you all of my organizing progress. I think it looks really good. So first of all, the bathroom. So for the cabinets under the sink, I bought these like slide out 2-layer drawers, which are really good for organizing like cabinet space or like under the counter space, because like it's really tall, but if you don't have these like 2 layers, it's hard to take advantage of the space. So for this side, we have like the dog pee pads over here. And then this drawer at the bottom has all of the dog stuff, like his shampoo and like other stuff. And then up here, I just have extra Q-tips and cotton rounds and stuff. This basket I already had, but I just keep all my hair tools in it. It's like as organized as it's gonna get. And then over on this side, I think this looks so good. So I already had these, and I already had it organized like this. This is just like some skincare stuff, but I reorganized this side. So back here, it's the same drawer thing, and it comes with these like dividers. So I just put a little divider right here. I have my peel pads and my lotion and then some stuff back there. And then this drawer here is all of my hair products. So I think that looks so much more organized now and just like clean. Okay, then moving on to the kitchen under the sink. I bought this, again, like 2-layer drawer thing, and I put all of the cleaning stuff in here. So like taller stuff down here. And then this thing I got the other day at Target actually, but I just put all the dog food on like the first layer and then the treats up there. So that's pretty clean. This section, I still don't really know what to do with. I think it's like as organized as it'll get. I bought 2 of these like divider things because I have more like pans and stuff, but none of them really fit in here. So I'm only using one of it for now with 2 like pans and then the lids. And then I have like the pots over here. I just like don't know what to do with them because they're big. But up there, like the blender is dirty right now, but usually I keep the blender right there. Okay, and then this drawer right here is like the silverware drawer. I still want something to put right here to put all of these things in, but I bought these like drawer dividers. As you can see, they're really cool. You just like adjust them to the length, and then I got this stuff at the bottom so that everything doesn't like slide around. But I don't know, it still looks kind of messy, but these like fit perfectly in this little section. And then I have that section, and then I still need something for right here, but it's definitely better. The cabinets up here are my favorite part. Look how good that looks, guys. Wow. I put some like food in these containers. They're like stackable, so you can like mix and match as you please. But I put like my granola that I use almost every morning right here. It's kind of like unnecessary to put them in these things, but I just think it looks really satisfying. Hey, what are you barking at? What are you doing? And then the last thing that I organized was this cabinet over here. The only thing different is I bought these like tiered little shelf things, because before I just had everything at like the same level, so you couldn't like see everything. So now you can like see everything better for these 2 shelves. I have all my vitamins here, spices, and then this stuff, like I don't really know how to organize that, but I think it looks really nice there, so yay. Okay, so that's pretty much all of the organizing I did. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It was kind of like a short little vlog. I don't really know how much footage I have, but I'm going to be vlogging more. I'm doing like a day in my life this Wednesday, and then I'm going to LA on Thursday. I didn't even say that, I don't think, but I'll vlog that little trip. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see for the summer. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.